Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of board paper September 2020. So in my previous video I have completed till second main question number 16. So let us start from question number 17, that is 2 marks problem. So solve the following pair of linear equations. They have given 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24. So let me solve the question number 27. So the question number 17 is, they have given two equations. Let us write this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. And let us solve this, solving 1 and 2. Here we can see in this which one is like we can cancel or which term is same. In both the equation we can see here 2x and 2x is same terms, but if we have same sign we cannot cancel. Here 2x, here also 2x, here plus plus, nothing means plus, we know that. So both same sign we cannot cancel it, we cannot eliminate. So we will change the sign here. What we have to do, plus becomes minus, here minus sign it becomes plus, and here also minus sign it becomes plus. Now we should not see this sign, we should see which we have changed the sign, that is our second equation sign. Now we can see plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled, plus plus we have to do plus, 4y plus 3y is 7y is equals to, this also sign gone now, this is our sign. So plus plus again plus, 24 plus 11 is 35. Y is equals to 35 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. So y is equals to 5 we got. We solve means we need to find the value of x and y. Now we got y value, we have to find x. Put x, y is equals to 5 in equation, any one equation we can put in equation 1. Okay, so 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. I have taken equation 1. So x value we don't know, we have to find, we'll keep as it is, 2x as it is, plus 3 into y value we got 5. So in place of y I'll write 5 is equals to 11. 2x plus 5 3s are 15 is equals to 11. 2x is equal to 11 minus 15. I bought here, so minus 15. 2x is equals to 11 minus 15 is minus 4. X is equals to minus 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So x is equals to minus 2. So here we got the value of x and y. So x is equals to minus 2 and y is equals to 5. Let us see this next question. Question number 18. Find the sum of first 20 terms of AP 5 plus 10 plus 15 using suitable formula. What they have asked, question number 18. AP is given 5 plus 10 plus 15 using suitable formula. Find the sum of first 20 terms. That means yes 20 we need to find. Find the sum of yes 20 terms. We know suitable formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula. So to solve this, find the sum of 20 terms, we need first term a and d. We know that first term is a is equals to 5 and d is second term minus first term, 10 minus 5, second term minus first term. Always how we will get the second term minus first term or third term minus second term, like that. So d value we got 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, let us solve now. S20, in place of n we have to write 20. S20 is equals to, n is nothing but 20 by 2 as it is. This formula 2 as it is, a value is 5 plus n is nothing but 20 minus 1, d value is 5. In place of d I'll write 5. So 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. 10 into 5 twos are 10 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 5. We should write this in brackets so that we should not add this 19 with 10. If we go to add this 19 with 10, the problem will be wrong. So 10 into 10 as it is plus 19 fives are 95. 10 as it is, 95 plus 10 is 105. 105 into 10 if we multiply 1050. This is S10. Sum of S20. Sum of first 20 term is 1050. So we got this value. Now let us see the question number 19. Find the value of k of polynomial. So here the word polynomial comes. So polynomial is reduced. So this question is from reduced syllabus. Let us go for only for this year. It is reduced. So let us go for question number 20. Find the value of discriminant of the quadratic equation and hence write the nature of root. Here two things we have to find. One, we have to find the value of discriminant. Then again we have to write the nature of root. Let me write the question what they have asked. Equation given is 2x square minus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. This is the given equation. We have to write this is of the form. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation. Let us compare these two and we will find the value of a. We can see a is equals to what? 2, b minus 5 and c value is minus 1. So what they have asked to find? Discriminant. They have told to find the discriminant, that is d. Value is b square minus 4ac. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. D is equal to b is minus 5 whole square minus 4. A value is 2 into c is minus 1. Minus negative number square means sign will be positive. 5 square is 25. Negative sign will go when there is square and negative number. So minus minus plus 4 twos are 8. 25 plus 8 if we do, that is 33. So D is greater than 0. We can see 33 greater than 0. So two real and distinct root. What roots are? Nature of root is roots are real and distinct. When they ask in the question, hence find the nature of root, when they said we should write this. What is the nature of root? We know that D greater than 0 means roots are real and distinct, or you can write two real and distinct root. So next question is question number 21. Prove that cos A 1 minus cos A into cosec A plus cot A is equals to 1. We should bring the answer 1. Okay. Let me write the question number 21. This is question number 20 which we have solved now. So question number 21 is prove that cosec A into 1 minus cos A into cosec A plus cot A is equals to 1. Okay. We should bring the answer 1 here. So what we have to do, I'll take this LHS. Cosec A 1 minus cos A into cosec A plus cot A. Okay. So now we know that cosec is nothing but 1 by sine. 1 by sine into 1 minus cos A. I'll keep as it is. So here now cosec is 1 by sine, cot is cos by sine. We know that this all identities. To solve this problem we should by heart all these identities. Now we can 1 into 1 minus cos A is 1 minus cos A. We'll just multiply by 1 upon sin A into denominator is same sin A. I'll write one time because here we know LCM if we take denominator is same, then 1 plus cos A. Okay, now we can see here 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A, that is A minus B, A plus B is nothing but A square minus B square. 1 minus A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square. 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A, 1 square minus cos square A upon sin A into sin A is sin square A. Now 1 square is nothing but 1 minus cos square A upon sin square A as it is. We know identity 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. So I'll write sin square A upon sin square A as it is. Sin square A get cancelled. So the answer is 1. They have told us to prove answer is 1. So we got answer 1. Next question is choice or here one more. Prove that tan A minus sin A upon tan A plus sin A is equals to sec A minus 1 upon sec A plus 1. So we need to bring answer sec A minus 1 and sec A plus 1. So I have written here question. Let us take LHS. Tan A minus sin A upon tan A plus sin A. Okay. We know that tan A is sin by cos. Tan place, I'll write sin A upon cos A minus sin A upon, here also tan A is sin A by cos A plus sin A as it is. Now our focus should be on to prove. So to prove what we need to do this, we'll take sin A common. Here also sin A is there, here also is common. And down also sin A common. Up in numerator I am taking sin A common. What we'll get if I have taken sin A common? Nothing means 1. 1 upon cos A as it is. Sin A I have taken common. Sin A nothing means 1. Upon denominator also I will take sin A common. So I have taken sin A common means 1 upon cos A will be left out plus sin A I have already taken common 1. So here sin get cancelled. What is left? 1 upon cos A minus 1 upon cos A plus 1 is left. So 1 upon cos means sec A minus 1 as it is, and 1 upon cos is nothing but sec A plus 1. Hence proved. We can see in to prove they have told this only sec A minus 1, sec A plus 1. We got answer sec A minus 1 and sec A plus 1. It's very easy. Now let us see the question number 22. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 2, 3 and 4, 7. Okay, the given points are 2, 3 and 4, 7. I have written the given points. They have told find the coordinates of midpoint. We know that coordinates of midpoint formula is formula, we should know this formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula. So first point we'll write x1 y1, second point we will write x2 y2. We'll substitute now. X1 value is 2 plus sign as it is, x2 value is 4 by 2, comma y1 value is 3 plus y2 value is 7 by 2. Okay, so 4 plus 2 is 6 by 2, comma 7 plus 3 is 10 by 2. Therefore 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So the coordinates of midpoint is 3 and 5. Coordinates of midpoint is 3, 5. So the next question is 23, that is of probability chapter, which is reduce for this year. Okay, reduce. Let us see question number 24. Okay, so question number 24. Draw a circle of radius 4 cm and construct a pair of tangent to a circle such that the angle between the tangent is 60 degree. See, this question I have already solved in my construction chapter, where I have thoroughly explained these questions. You can refer my construction video. Again, I will send this link in a description box. Okay. Now, fourth main, let us start. Here, in fourth main, question number 25 is of reduced syllabus. That is from real number. It is reduced for this year. Let us see question number 26 now. Okay. The diagonal of a rectangular playground is 60 meter. Diagonal is 60 meter more than the smaller side, okay, of the rectangle. Diagonal is 60 meter more than the smaller side, and if the longer side is 30 meter more than the smaller side. Okay, diagonal also is more than smaller side and longer side is also more than smaller side. Find the sides of the playground. Let us consider one playground rectangular shape I'll draw. For example, this is a playground. Okay, I'll write name A, B, C, D. Now they have told, and a diagonal, it is mentioned in the question, there will be a diagonal. What they have told now, diagonal is 60 meter more than smaller side and the longer side is 30 meter more than the smaller side. So we don't know what is smaller side. So let us consider, let for smaller side, let the smaller side be, that is smaller side will consider BC, be x meter. Okay, we have considered here smaller side is x meter. Then diagonal will be what? They have told in the question, diagonal is 60 meter more than smaller side. So x plus 60 meter more than smaller side. So diagonal will be x plus 60, and longer side is nothing but AB. They have told longer side is 30 meter more than the smaller side. X plus 30 meter more than smaller side. So we got this. Find the sides of the rectangle, they have told. Okay, we'll write longer side is x plus 30, smaller side is x, and diagonal is x plus 60. Okay, we know that this is the rectangle and we know all angles in the rectangle is 90 degree. So let us consider this triangle here. In triangle ABC, we know angle B is 90 degree because it is rectangle. So once that angle is 90 degree, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, AC is x plus 60 whole square is equals to AB is x plus 30 whole square and BC is x square. Okay, we know this is A plus B whole square formula. X plus 60 whole square, A square. We'll consider this as A and this as B. A square plus 2, A is x, B is 60 plus B square, 60 square is equal to sign I will keep as it is. Now A plus B whole square again. A square, that is this is A, this is B. A means x square plus 2 A and B is 30 plus B square plus as it is x square as it is. Okay. Now we can clearly see 1 x square get cancelled. 60 2s are 120x plus 60 square is 6 square is 3600 is equals to 30 2s is 60x plus 30 square is 900 plus x square. Now we'll write in the standard form. This I will write here x square as it is I am writing plus 60x plus 900. I'll bring this all this side minus 120x plus I am bringing here it is minus 3600 is equal to 0. Now x square 120x minus 60x minus 120 plus 60 is minus. Greater sign is minus. 120 minus 60 is 60x minus 3600 minus 900 minus plus minus is nothing but 2700, but greater sign is minus 27. Now we can do here factorization method or formula method any, but factorization we can easily get answer because we will leave these zeros and we will see. We know that 9 3s are 27, 9 minus 3 is 6. So 27,000 negative sign, 90 30s are 2,700, but greater sign is minus, so here minus plus. Minus plus minus, 90 30s are 2700, 90 minus 30 is minus 60. Okay. So x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Let us take common, x common here. If one x common, x left minus 90 plus 30 common, x as it is 30 I have taken common, 30 90s are, so 90. So x minus 90 bracket is common, x plus remaining is x plus 30 is equal to 0. X minus 90 is equals to 0 or x plus 30 is equals to 0. Minus if I take here it becomes plus. Minus 90 is becoming plus x is equals to 90 or x is equals to minus 30. We know that length cannot be negative. Length or breadth cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to 90. X is, let us start, find the sides they have told. So, side BC is equals to x, that is 90 meter. Longer side AB is equals to x plus 30. So, x is 90 plus 30, that is 120 meter. Longer side is, then they have told diagonal. So, diagonal is AC is equals to x plus 60. 90 plus 60 is nothing but 150 meter. So, here we have found all the sides and diagonal. X plus 30, x plus 60 and x. So, we got here side BC x, longer side AB 120, diagonal AC 150. So let us see the next question now. Question number 27. 26, there is a choice or it is given for question number 26. So let us see one more question, 26. Okay. So the question number 26 or is, the altitude of triangle is 6 centimeter more than its base. If its area is 108 centimeter square, find the base and height of a triangle. What is they have told? Let us draw one triangle. The altitude of triangle is 6 more than its base. Okay, I'll draw. This is A, B, C. They have told the altitude of triangle is 6 more than its base. So we don't know base. Let the base BC be x meter. We don't know base, so we have taken x meter. Therefore, altitude will be 6 more than its base, that is x plus 6. So altitude will be x plus 6. Altitude is nothing but height. So they have given area of triangle is, it is given in the question, 108 centimeter square. So let us start finding. We know that area of triangle formula is half into base into height. Height is nothing but altitude. Area of triangle is 108, half base we don't know x, and height is, altitude is x plus 6. Okay, this is bracket. So now 2 we will multiply here because it is in divide position. 108 into 2 is equals to x into x plus 6. Okay, x into x, 102 is 2 8s are 16, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. X into x, x square plus 6x. Okay, we'll write in a standard form, x square plus 6x minus 216 is equals to 0. Because 216 I bought here, so it becomes minus. Now here we can do factorize or formula method, anything. So let us find the factor. Minus 216. We have to find two such numbers. When we multiply, we need 216. When we add and subtract, we need 6. Okay, we'll find the factors. 216. 2 1s are 2. I'm taking 2 together, so 0. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Let us see the factors. First we will multiply these 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Okay. This we got 8. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 8 is 2 and 6. But 27 minus 6 is, we are not, 27 minus 8 is, we are not getting 6. So again we will see other. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay, 12. Then 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 12 is 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Again it's not. Let us check properly. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Or 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. We'll see this. 2 2s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. This part. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay. 18 and 12. 18 minus 2 is 6. Correct. We got 18, 12. But greater sign is plus. So here plus and here will be minus. Okay. Let's start. X square plus 18x minus 12x. 18 minus 12, 6. Minus 206, 0. Okay. So here common is x. If one x common, x left, plus 18. I'm taking minus common, minus 12 common, x left. Minus when I have taken common here, it becomes plus 12 18s. So common bracket is x plus 18. Remaining is x minus 12 equal to 0. X is equals to plus 18 becomes minus 18, or x is equals to minus 12 becomes 12. So length cannot be negative. Length cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to 12. That is base is equals to BC is equals to 12 meter. Centimeter they have given because area it is in centimeter. So we should write centimeter, and altitude x plus 6, that is 12 plus 6, that is 18 centimeter. So find the height and base they have told. So it is 18 centimeter. This same problem from here we can even do by formula method. We can easily get the x value if we go for formula method also. Okay. So if you want, I'll show here. A value is, see here, I'll write. This is of the form, standard form. A value is 1, B value is 6, and C value is minus 216. We know formula x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus 6 plus or minus root of b is 6 square minus 4a1, c is minus 216 upon 2 into 1. Okay. So here minus 6 plus or minus 6 square is 36. Minus minus is plus 216 into 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 1s are 4. 5 6. 4 2s are 8. 864. Now 864. We have to do 864 plus 36. 864 plus 36. 6 plus 4 10. Again 10, 8 plus 1, 9, 900. So minus 6 plus or minus root of 900 upon 2. Root of 900 is, what we got, x is equals to minus 6 plus or minus root of 900 by 2. So x is equals to minus 6 plus or minus root 900 is 30 by 2. X is equals to 1 time minus plus 30 by 2, or x is equals to minus 6 minus 30 by 2. X is equals to, so here it is plus 24 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2, 2, or x is equals to minus 36 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 1s are 2, 8s are 16s. Here we got x is equals to 12 or x is equals to minus 18. So here x is equals to 12 or x is equals to minus 18. Here also we have got x is equals to minus 18 or 12. So completes question number 26. Here we got by factorization method also x is equals to minus 18 and x is equals to 12, and even by formula method also x is equals to 12 and x is equals to minus 18. So we can use any method to solve such quadratic equation problems. So this completes question number 26. In my next video, I am going to continue from question number 27. Do like and share. Thank you.